Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on creating a basic HTML/CSS website with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of building a simple but stylish website using HTML and CSS. And to make it even more interactive, we'll integrate ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model, to add a touch of conversation to our site. Let's begin by setting up the basic structure of our website. In the HTML file, we'll create the header, hero section with a slider, 3 columns, and a footer. Meanwhile, in the CSS file, we'll add styles to make our website visually appealing. Now, moving on to the hero section. Here, we'll include a slider that showcases various images and content to grab the user's attention. Although our example will have placeholder content, you can customize this section with your own images and messages. Next, we'll create a row of 3 columns. These columns will be evenly spaced and each will contain some content. You can use these columns to display features, services, or any other information you want to highlight on your website. In the HTML file, we'll create the header, hero section with a slider, 3 columns, and a footer. Meanwhile, in the CSS file, we'll add styles to make our website visually appealing. Feel free to download the complete HTML/CSS code from the link in the description below. You can use it as a starting point for your own website projects and expand upon it to create something truly unique. Isn't that amazing? By combining the elegance of HTML and CSS with the intelligence of ChatGPT, we've built an engaging and interactive website in no time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting web development content. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.